kids don't love eating chocolate crackles at parties. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a healthier version using chocolate that we made in a previous episode. Instead of using puffed rice, today we're going to be using activated buckwheat. Now you can purchase this already activated, or you can activate it yourself by soaking raw buckwheat overnight, then dehydrating until crunchy. Our healthier chocolate mixture uses unrefined coconut oil and cacao butter, as well as raw cacao powder instead of the traditional chocolate powders. You can find the full recipe in our recipe book or previous episode. And for something a little bit different, I'm going to be adding some shredded coconut and some goji berries to the mix. Now I'm going to mix in my chocolate mixture. Using a spatula, I'm just going to stir that around until all of the ingredients are covered in chocolate. And now the mixture is ready, I'm just going to place it into these little patty pans and garnish them with some goji berries for added colour. And I'll just pop them into the fridge for about half an hour to an hour to set. Now we're all done. They're ready to serve up to the kids or the big kids too. That's good.